Alright, so here's how to stop auto scrolling in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for the settings. There you go. Simply open this up. And then from here on the left side, you need to select Bluetooth and devices. And then from here, you'll probably see the mouse option. So select that one. And then from here you need to first turn this off, which is called scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. You need to turn this off, and then from here let's just go to the additional mouse settings. Then from here you need to go with the wheel and make sure that you have selected this as 3 and 3 and simply go with OK, and make sure that roll the mouse wheel to scroll multiple lines at a time, and simply make sure that this is set as 3. If you've done all of these settings, then simply go and restart your PC and it will work. So that's how you can stop auto scrolling in Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.